Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Creative Pathshala. I hope all of you are doing great and your kiddos are doing also very well. Now today's video is all going to be about all-in-one writing book that is from Maple Kids. But before getting back to reviewing this particular textbook or rather book for all of you, I would like to quickly ask you and request you for subscribing my channel if you have yet not done so, and obviously you also need to follow us on Instagram. It would be great connecting with you on the Instagram handle as well. So let us begin without wasting even a single moment. So the very first thing is all-in-one writing book. So why have I selected this book? I'll tell you all of it. But first of all, the publication, pricing and everything. So all-in-one writing book, as you can see, you have got maths, English, Hindi, everything over here. And this is from Maple Kids. That is Maple Kids Publications, obviously. So it is, you can see over here, it is maplepress.co.in. The price is 175 and you can see the logo of Maple Press over here. So I have just zoomed in for all of you such that you do not get confused about the logo. And it obviously it also looks like this over here. On top it is written very clearly. So why did I select this for my son? The reason behind the same is about the very name, that is all-in-one writing book. So since my son is in LKG, so obviously I wanted him to give a practice for Hindi, English, math and everything. So obviously LKG has got a syllabus for that is capital letters. And then it has got very good page quality, it has got very good lettering, properly everything is given, and then you have got the small letters also are given very nicely. And yes, it's not cursive, it's the normal lettering, it's not cursive letters, small letters are there, and the picture quality also used, which is at the top, is perfect. So like E for elephant, F for flower, so it's very nicely mentioned. So small letters are also there. Now quickly talking about the Hindi practice, that is Hindi Varnamala. So you can see A se anar, A se aam, everything is given very nicely. And then K, Kh, G, G, everything is there. And then the number practice, that is, and the number practice is right from 1 to 100. So again, which does the work, does the job for me. So you can see right from 1 to 100, it is gives a direct practice to the child, and the end sheet is for the child to fill in the numbers right from 1 to 100. So what all did it cover for me? It covered for me English capital letters, English small letters, Hindi A to Aha and K to Shra. Then it covered numbers 1 to 100 for me at the price point of just 175 bucks. And obviously I have got this from Amazon, so I definitely got it at an offer price. So you can also check out for the offers for yourself and definitely go ahead and grab this book. Paper quality excellent, coverage of all the topics for LKG very good. So this is one of the good books if you are looking for all-in-one category writing book for your child. That is from Maple Kids, Maple Press. Definitely go ahead and grab it. Thank you so much for watching. And also one more request is that if you have yet not subscribed my channel, make sure you do so, and also share, like, comment and let me know if you are looking for any particular topic in detail. I would definitely like to hear it from you, and please do connect with us on the Instagram handle also. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.